Hello everybody. Now I want to share you my Citroen C5 friends made by friend. This is the brake emergency. So I think that it is problem emergency. My plan, I will change it, and this one a brake caliper also. It is it's not efficiency. No, I take a brake emergency already, but the problem the this brake is ongoing the way. It means that is the brake caliper, brakes. So I definition like this because if now I take all maximize of the brake emergency, but it's not efficiency on the right. I think that the problem on the right. If everyone to change on the left, if I want to try to rotation on the tie, but that is efficiency, that is a good condition. Yes, I want to change a brake caliper, I want to change the ball joint, I want to change brake tube coupler. Thank you for watching.